How to use Payoneer Checkout to manage your independent web store sales. Your Payoneer account is your one-stop shop to view all your web store and marketplace transactions and manage all payments from one single location. Within the main Payoneer dashboard, you'll find Payoneer Checkout. Payoneer Checkout allows you to easily view and analyze your independent online store transactions, issue refunds to customers, and more. To view a list of all transactions, including their status, click on Checkout after signing into Payoneer, and then Store Transactions. If you have more than one store, choose which stores you'd like to view, as well as a date range and transaction type. Filter your transactions by a wide variety of transaction types, including date, amount, currency, transaction ID, invoice ID, customer email, country, and status. Each transaction is accompanied by a status. From this, you can see if the transaction was successful or unsuccessful, refunded, charged back, and more. For a more detailed look into a specific transaction, click on it. Once clicked, you'll be able to see a complete timeline of the transaction, including full transaction, order, and customer details. You'll also see the specific transaction fee breakdown for each transaction. From the Payout Plan area, you can view the details for every transaction in your account, including when it's expected to reach your Payoneer balance. To issue a refund, simply click on the Refund button at the top of your screen, choosing the amount you want to transfer back to your customer. To get an in-depth view of a specific customer and the contents of their order, scroll down on the same page. You will then see their full details, including name, billing and shipping addresses, and a complete list of all transactions they've completed. To view your payouts, click on any specific payout from the checkout dashboard to get deeper information about it. This includes a full payout summary, the transactions included, turnover, fees paid, and more. Once you've received your payments to your Payoneer account, you can use your funds in several ways. These include withdrawing them to your local bank account, converting them to different currencies, paying VAT, and making business payments to suppliers, contractors, or employees. Payoneer gives you the full set of tools to easily manage all your payments with complete visibility and zero hassle. For more information on how to use your Payoneer Checkout, visit the Checkout documentation page at checkouts.payoneer.com.